Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Supergeek. Google is going to release the Google Pixel 4 later this month. And before the actual release, most of the key features and specifications has been leaked online about the smartphone. But today, I'm going to tell you about 3 apps which has been leaked from Google Pixel 4, including the latest live wallpapers. So today I'm going to tell you how to install them on your Android smartphone. Stay tuned. The first app which I'm going to tell you about is the launcher app. Well, there is nothing new about this new launcher from the Google Pixel 4, but the problem is I cannot show you on my smartphone because the app is only available on Pixel smartphones right now, so it does not support non-Pixel devices. The only addition which Google has done in the new launcher app is the swipe down to get to the notification drawer. This was not available before on any Google devices, but now it will be available on your Google Pixel 4, and it might come to your previous Pixel devices as well. So the second app is the recorder app. So what's special about this app is that it transcribes your audio recordings while you're recording it. So this is the recorder app. There's this search button, there's this settings, so you can choose the theme, light, dark, whatever you like. You can enable, disable Google locations. I don't know, it tags your video recording according to the location, so you can go back. So this is the recording button. So now I'm going to show you the transcribe feature, the live transcribe feature. So that was Google Recorder app. It does a really great job at transcribing the live recordings. So finally, coming to the live wallpapers. So there are some couple of new live wallpapers which Google is going to release with the Google Pixel 4. And as you can see, I've already applied the default one. So I'm going to show you all the other live wallpapers which Google Pixel 4 is coming with. So let's head into the wallpaper settings, go to the live wallpapers, and there are the couple of new live wallpapers which you're going to get on Google Pixel 4. So this one is the compass. So this is a simulator version of a compass. There's a needle which reacts according to the orientation of the device. So the second wallpaper is the doodle thing. So this is a new wallpaper which you can set on your Android smartphone. So this wallpaper actually has a self-drawing mode where you can draw your own doodles and set them as a live wallpaper. I cannot show you how it works because it only works on Google Pixel devices. So those were the live wallpapers from the Google Pixel 4 which you can install on your Android smartphone right now. The link are in the description. You just have to download the APK file and install it just like any other APK file on your Android smartphone, and you get these new amazing features from Google Pixel 4 on your Android smartphone. So that's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.